Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Limpiador De Tenis Blancos is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who loves white sneakers. These shoes are a fashion staple, known for their versatility and ability to complement any outfit. But keeping them looking fresh can be a real challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of white sneaker cleaners, exploring what makes a great product and how to keep your kicks looking their best. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. This kit is designed to clean all types of shoes. It comes with a bottle of cleaner and a brush. It's perfect for keeping your shoes looking their best. Whether it's fabric, leather, or suede, this cleaner is safe to use. It's specially formulated to protect your shoes while removing dirt and stains. You can use it on whites, too. Simply apply the cleaner, scrub with the brush, and wipe clean. It's a quick and easy way to keep your shoes looking new. This product makes the process simple. Keep your sneakers looking fresh with this kit. It's designed to tackle the toughest dirt and grime. It will help you maintain your favorite footwear. Keep your shoes clean and looking their best with this kit. It's a must-have for any shoe lover. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like. This cleaner is a true all-rounder, perfect for a wide range of materials. It comes with a brush and bottle, making it easy to apply and scrub. If you have a diverse shoe collection and need a comprehensive cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Just a few drops are all you need. It's incredibly concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. Simply apply a few drops to the brush and give it a light scrub, then wipe it off with a cloth or sponge. I think this product did a great job breaking down the surface dirt and grime. I do notice that this product works great on the non-leather and suede texture. The brush was a great addition. You don't need to scrub the shoe for long or use a lot of the product. Once you wet the shoe and put some product on the brush and start brushing the shoe, you will instantly see suds start to form and the area to look cleaner. Number 4. Markk Shoe Cleaning Kits. Tired of dirty shoes? This kit is designed to keep them looking fresh. It's the perfect solution for maintaining and cleaning your favorite footwear. The essential kit provides everything you need for basic shoe care. It includes a deep cleaning solution and a brush to tackle dirt and grime. This is a great starting point for any shoe enthusiast. Looking for a more comprehensive cleaning experience? The starter kit offers additional tools and solutions. It helps you to keep your shoes in top condition, making them last longer. For the ultimate shoe care experience, try the box set. It includes a variety of cleaning products and accessories. It's the complete package for keeping your shoes looking their best. These kits are specifically formulated to remove tough stains and dirt. They are safe for use on a variety of materials. They will help you to restore your shoes to their original glory. What we like. This brand offers deep cleaning solutions, with different kits to suit your needs. It's an essential kit for any sneakerhead. If you are serious about keeping your sneakers in pristine condition, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. All I did was pour a tiny bit of water in a bowl and pour the product on the bristles holding the brush on top of the bowl so whatever liquid spilled on the bowl with water, then scrubbing the stained area and drying it with paper towels. It's great for washing white rubber soles on my Converse shoes and other sandals. The brush is the perfect size too. I mainly use it to keep my leather sneakers looking fresh, and it works like a charm. The deep cleaning solution is seriously effective. It gets rid of dirt and grime without damaging the leather, which is a huge plus. Number 3. KIWI Shoe Whitener, for various materials. Tired of your shoes looking worn out? This product is designed to revitalize them. It's perfect for bringing your shoes back to life. This versatile whitener works on a variety of materials. Whether it's leather, vinyl, or canvas, it can help. It's a great solution for many types of shoes. The package includes a convenient sponge applicator. This makes it easy to apply the whitener evenly. It's designed for ease of use. The advanced polymer and whitening agent help older shoes look new again. The formula is designed to cover evenly. It will make your shoes look great. This formula is designed to provide a smooth, even finish. You won't have to worry about streaks or a chalky appearance. The result is a clean, refreshed look. This product is especially effective on white leather. It's the perfect solution for keeping your white leather shoes looking their best. It's a great way to maintain your shoes. What we like. This product is formulated with a whitening agent to restore the original color of your shoes. It comes with an easy-to-use sponge applicator, making the process simple. If you have white leather shoes that need a refresh, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The product effectively cleaned the white sneakers. It is easy to use. The cleaner restored the shoes to their original white color. Number 2. Shoe Cleaner and Whitener Kit. Are your sneakers looking a little worse for wear? This kit is designed to bring them back to life. It's the perfect solution for keeping your shoes looking their best. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to clean and whiten your shoes. It's easy to use and delivers amazing results. You'll be amazed at how good they look. This kit is your one-stop solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It's suitable for various materials, making it versatile and effective. It's a must-have for any shoe enthusiast. This cleaner not only removes dirt and grime, but also whitens your shoes. It restores their original brightness, making them look like new. You'll love the results. The kit is designed for easy use, so you can clean your shoes quickly and efficiently. The instructions are simple, and the process is straightforward. You'll be able to keep them looking great with minimal effort. What we like. This kit is designed to be a one-stop solution for all your shoe cleaning needs. It's easy to use and delivers effective results. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution to keep your shoes clean, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use. The cleaning brush is very effective along with the cleaning solution. The polish returns the color of the shoes to the original white shade. Excellent product. It does what it should. Cleans, polish and return white shoes like new. Number 1. SneakERASERS Instant Sneaker Cleaner Sponge 3-Pack. These pre-moistened sponges are perfect for quick cleaning, anytime, anywhere. They are compact and individually packaged, so you can easily keep them with you. If it starts to dry out, just add water to make it active again. The product is designed for optimal performance on smooth white soles. The white side of the sponge naturally breaks down with use to remove scuffs. The orange side efficiently removes any remaining remnants, leaving your shoes impeccably clean. It features unique dual-layer technology, powerful microscrubbers, and a proprietary cleaning formula. These components work together to effectively erase tough marks, scuffs, and dirt from your shoes. No need to scrub vigorously, just glide the sponge gently across the surface of your shoes. Watch as marks and stains vanish effortlessly. It's that simple. This shoe cleaner kit is essential for sneakers, tennis shoes, and more. It's also perfect for cleaning white shoes, canvas shoes, and even leather shoes. Use it for any occasion. See why we are the #1 shoe cleaning brand on Amazon. We also have car and automotive cleaning products, leather cleaners, golf cleaners, and more. Home of sneak erasers, auto erasers, sole rubbers, and golf erasers. Compatible with many shoes such as Nike, Adidas, Converse, Vans, Puma, Jordan, New Balance, Asics, and many more. What we like. These pre-moistened sponges offer instant cleaning on the go, perfect for quick touch-ups. They are compact and individually packaged for convenience. If you need a quick and easy way to clean your shoes while you're out and about, you should consider these. What people say. These are really handy to polish the shoes and soles after golf or a run. They are durable, last for 2 sets of shoes, giving them a nice look. Works perfect, remove the dirt in seconds. I recommend to start with the white part, and then if does not get removed, then use the other part. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.